How to find your PIN in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about, or I'll be demonstrating the process of locating your PIN in the Roblox for the year 2024. It is a relatively straightforward and efficient procedure, so it is important to pay close attention. If you have forgotten the PIN for your account, the only solution is to reset it manually. I highly recommend using a computer for this task. Begin by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to www.roblox.com. Once you've successfully logged into your account, on roblox.com, locate and click on the settings icon situated in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Help option and you will be then directed to the official Roblox support page. Proceed by entering the PIN into the search bar at the center of the page and locate and click on the second option, that I forgot the PIN. This section explains that once a PIN is associated with an account, it is essential for making changes into your account settings. If you have forgotten your PIN, you will be unable to modify your settings. If you wish to retrieve further information, proceed by clicking on the provided contact form link highlighted in blue color, and this action will redirect you to the Roblox website, where you will need to complete the contact form with relevant information to receive your PIN. Specify the device you use to play, select the appropriate category requiring the assistance, describing the issue related to your PIN, and submit the form. Subsequently, await further communication through email. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in assisting you with locating your PIN. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing for additional quick and convenient tips. Thank you for your viewership.